In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your workspaces, managing projects, and sharing information seamlessly with others. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or just want to share access with someone to get their input, adding a guest is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow to do this efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. Simply open your browser and go to the Notion website. This is where all your projects, documents, and wikis live. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure you're logged in. If not, click on the Login option that typically appears on the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to your personal workspace dashboard. Now, find the specific page or document to which you'd like to add a guest. In Notion, your content is organized into pages, so you'll need to click on the relevant page from your sidebar menu. It's important to select the correct page to ensure your guest has access to the right information. Once you've navigated to the appropriate page, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find a Share button. This button is your gateway to adding others to your workspace. Clicking it will open up a sharing menu that provides various options for inviting people and setting permissions. After clicking Share, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. This is where you input the email of the person you want to invite as a guest. Make sure you spell the email correctly, otherwise, the invitation won't reach the intended recipient. It's also a good idea to double-check the domain of the email to avoid any sending errors. Once you're confident that the email address is correct, you'll notice an EOE button below the email field. Click that button to send your invitation. Notion will then send an email to your guest with a link that allows them to access your page. It's that easy. In just these few steps, you've successfully invited a guest to collaborate with you on Notion. Remember that your guest will need to create a Notion account if they don't already have one to accept the invite and access the page. This simple action enhances collaboration and allows you to smoothly integrate external inputs into your projects. I hope this tutorial helps you effectively add guests to your Notion workspace, enhancing collaboration and productivity. If you have further questions or need clarification on any step, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!